customer makes underground mine equipment, and they make a variety of different models, and they had two different cabs for the different models that were very similar that they asked us to merge into one. They've got slightly different controls. The way the joysticks operate is slightly different from one to the other one, so we've made an option to change the joysticks out. But the biggest issue that we had to accommodate, one was that the way that you get into the cab is different. In one of the machines you climb up into the cab, and on the other one you walk along like a catwalk to access the cab. So you're at sort of door level on one and way below the door on the other one. So we had to modify the door to place the handles where they could be reached. The other one was that both these machines have booms, and they need to access the main pin to secure the boom through the cab. And those are not in the same place. It's slightly different on one cab to the other one by about 6 inches. So we made an access port inside the cab wall to access both. There's a huge grille on the front to protect from all falling objects. We've added that, but we've contoured it slightly. We've done a few innovative things. For example, the HVAC has moved completely outside the cab and gone outside the front. To put the AC out unit outside doesn't affect the looks of the machine. It aids servicing and filter change, and also it gives a lot more room inside the cab as well. And also, by using a pillar to mount the monitors on, we can slide the monitors up and down to adjust the position. And also now the armrests adjust with the joysticks on them as well, so they've got more comfort for the operator. Basically, they gave us the two models of the existing cab. They were able to basically take whatever mounting points we gave them for the cab, but they gave us certain conditions in terms of an envelope it had to fit in, and then we worked closely with them to develop that. Once we got the overall cab structure developed and size-wise, then we looked at controls they wanted inside it, what are the features they wanted inside it. We worked with them on the HVAC placement, and then we put a seat in originally, and through their testing established that that seat wasn't durable enough. So we beefed up to a stronger seat with better armrests, and it's worked out pretty well.